You know what I like to do after I commute into Boston for a couple of days straight? I like to break out some Brunello. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And I figured before I get changed out of my work clothes, I figured it would be appropriate that I was dressed up a little for tasting this 2015 Brunello that I opened on Tuesday, planned to drink yesterday, but here I am drinking it today because I got home too late yesterday and just wasn't the right time. So you might be, this wine is a 2015 Brunello di Montalcino from Terre Nere Winery. Let me know what you think about my Italian in the comments. I've never had a wine from these guys before, but you know, the 2015 vintage across the board in Europe was amazing. Might be a little early to be opening this up, but I figured, you know me, I like to check in on wines and see how they're doing, even though it might be a little early to drink. Brunello, again, big wines, made 100% of Sangiovese. There goes the oven. You know, just a favorite of mine. They're big. Let's see what this one tastes like. It has a really pretty nose. So this Brunello noses can be really, really powerful. This one it's powerful, but it seems like it's a little bit restrained. Now it could be because the bottle's been open for a couple of days. So there's had some air in there, it's calmed down a bit, but this is just beautiful. I mean, loaded with cherries. There's a little bit of dirt. I'm getting some rosemary and thyme, a little herbal mixture. I don't know, man. It's intoxicating. This wine, well, I'll do a close up here. It's lighter than I would have thought, right? So I can see my fingers through it, which is not usual for Brunello. So this feels like, to me, it'll be this is eminently drinkable right now. Let's see if the palate proves that. Oh man, it's like candy. This is dynamite. Dried cherries. Nice tartness. It's almost a little bit of strawberry licorice kind of coming through. Not quite a Twizzlers, but a good strawberry licorice. If you had those Australian strawberry licorice candies that you can get from Trader Joe's. My God, this is pretty phenomenal. I wish I would have tasted it the other night to see how it evolved, because like this is, you know, 2 days being open in the bottle. This is dynamite. I'm thrilled. I'm going to be drinking this tonight. There's only one bottle. This is the first time I've had a 2015 Brunello, but this is 100% drinkable right now. No rush to drink these things, but it's drinkable right now. I don't feel bad that I opened it. I'm actually kind of excited. Good effort, really good effort. Terre Nere. There you go. So I don't know if you happen to find it, good luck. But you never know. You never know what you're going to find on a store shelf. This one I got from Wine Spies. Again, really, I think I got a really good deal on it. I'll put the actual price down here. I'll figure out what I paid for it. But Wine Spies, really unique site. There's a sign up link in the description. You get some credits, I get some credits. I think it's worth it, right? The best thing that they do is that you can buy wine over time. They store it themselves, right? They call it, you can build wine lockers. And then when you get the 12 bottles, it ships for free. So you do pay California sales tax on each purchase, on each wine purchase, but you know, I think the idea that you don't have to, you know, load up at once, you know, you can build your case over time, really cool idea. I thank you for joining, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Cheers, folks. Don't be scared to open 2015 Brunellos. Don't be scared.